Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader. Little angel reader.
Hello. Oh, hello, Yellow Bear. How are you today? I'm fine, thank you. What do you want to do today? I don't know. Do you have any ideas? How about we play a math game? A math game? I'm so hungry. My tummy is rumbling. You know what, Yellow Bear? I have some bread muffins. Bread muffins? Yes, here they are. Ooh, I love bread muffins. Can I eat them? Can I eat one? Can I eat one? Wait, let's play a quick math game and then you can have one, okay? Okay, 4 muffins are hiding under this yellow bowl. If I take one muffin and put it on top, how many muffins are left under this yellow bowl? Can you help me? Do you know the answer? Okay. They were 4 muffins. And one is here now. How many muffins are left? 4 take away 1. 4 minus 1 is... Can you help me? Do you know the answer? 4 minus 1 is, 3! That's right! Thank you for helping me, guys! 3! Okay, Yellow Bear. Your friends helped you. Let's check the answer. Ta-da! Yes, we were right! 3 muffins are here on the plate. So 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, take away 1, minus 1, equals 3! 3 muffins! Hooray! Yoo-hoo! Hooray! You did it! Can you take a picture of me with 4 muffins? Bread muffins, yum yum. Sure, Yellow Bear. Click, click. 4 muffins are hiding under this yellow bowl. I will take 2 muffins out. 2 muffins are out. How many muffins are left, Yellow Bear? Will you guys help me again? 4 take away 2. 4 minus 2 is what? 2! That's right! I think so too! 4 minus 2 equals 2! Okay, Yellow Bear, let's check. Ta-da! Yes, we're right! We were right again. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, take away 2 equals 2! Yes, very good, Yellow Bear. And 2 plus 2 equals 4! I know! 4! 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 here and 2 here. And together, they're 4 bread muffins. Yes, you're so smart. Thank you for helping me, guys. Mwah, mwah, mwah. I love you. Mwah. You guys are so smart. Great. Good job. 4 minus 2 equals 2. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Okay, Yellow Bear, last question. There are 4 bread cups. Oh, did I say bread cups? That's funny, bread cups. No, there are 4 bread muffins. Yeah, that's better, bread muffins. There are 4 bread muffins hiding under there. If I take 3 out, how many muffins are left? I took 3 muffins out. How many are left? Oh, will you guys help me? 4 minus 3 is... 4 minus 3 is... 1! You're right! I think so too! Look, there's 1 muffin on the plate. Yay! I was right! There's 1 muffin left. There are 3 here. 3 plus 1 equals... 1, 2, 3, 4, 4! So, if there are 4 muffins and you take 3 away, how many are left? One muffin is left. Yay! Can I please eat it? Please, I want to have a bite. Oh, I'm so hungry. Please. Okay, Yellow Bear, you can have a bite. You know what? And the rest muffins are for Max. He's in preschool now. We'll take some of the muffins. Let's take 2 of the muffins for him. That's a good idea. Max loves bread. He's a bread eater. Hooray! 4 minus 3 is 1. And 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 1 plus 3 is 4. There are 4 muffins under this yellow bowl. If I take 4 muffins out, how many muffins are left? There are no muffins on the plate. None. 0. 4 minus 4 is 0. Bye. See you next time. Bye, Yellow Bear.
Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader.